When considering home improvements that can significantly enhance the value of your property, window installation often doesn't get the attention it deserves. However, replacing old, worn-out windows with new, energy-efficient models can make a world of difference in both the aesthetic appeal and overall value of your home. For homeowners in Brandon, this is particularly important due to the area's diverse climate, which presents both challenges and opportunities for improving your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Let's explore how installing new windows can boost your home's value in Brandon. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your windows are one of the first features people notice when they approach your home. Older windows, with cracked seals or outdated frames, can make your house appear rundown or less attractive. On the other hand, modern, well-installed windows with sleek frames and energy-efficient designs can immediately improve the exterior look of your property. Whether you choose vinyl, fiberglass, or wood frame windows, each option can help elevate the curb appeal of your home. Additionally, new windows are available in a variety of styles, such as double-hung, casement, or sliding, allowing you to customize your home's exterior to match the architectural style and your personal taste. An attractive home exterior draws potential buyers in, giving your property a competitive edge in the Brandon real estate market. Improved energy efficiency. Brandon experiences a blend of hot summers and cooler winters, which makes energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Old windows, especially those with single-pane glass, allow air to escape, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. As a result, your energy bills can skyrocket, and the comfort of your home can diminish. By installing energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, you can drastically reduce your heating and cooling costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, allowing you to maintain a comfortable living environment year-round. When prospective buyers see that your home has energy-efficient windows, they'll appreciate the long-term savings on utility bills, which could make your home more attractive to them. Noise reduction. Another benefit of replacing your windows is the improved noise insulation. Living near busy streets, highways, or other noise sources can be disruptive, and older windows often fail to provide the necessary soundproofing. New, high-quality windows offer better soundproofing qualities, keeping the noise outside and creating a more peaceful living environment inside your home. If you live in a noisy neighborhood in Brandon, this added benefit of noise reduction could be especially appealing to prospective buyers. Homes in quieter, more serene locations are often viewed as more desirable, and installing new windows can give your home an edge in this regard. Increased security and safety. In addition to the aesthetic and functional benefits, new windows can also provide enhanced security for your home. Modern window systems often come with improved locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass, making it more difficult for intruders to break in. This added layer of security is a strong selling point for potential buyers who prioritize safety for their families. Moreover, Windows that are easier to open and close provide better ventilation and can act as an emergency exit if necessary. This increased safety aspect can be a crucial factor in elevating your home's value in Brandon's competitive real estate market. Return on investment. While the initial cost of window installation may seem high, it is an investment that pays off in the long term. Studies show that replacing windows can offer a return on investment, ROI, of up to 70%, depending on the type of windows chosen and the overall improvement in your home's energy efficiency. For homeowners in Brandon looking to sell in the future, this means that the money spent on new windows can be recouped through a higher sale price, especially if the home market in the area is strong. Additionally, since window installation is a relatively quick process, it's a home improvement that doesn't require extensive disruption to your daily life, making it a convenient and worthwhile investment. Conclusion. Window installation is one of the most effective and valuable home improvements you can make in Brandon. From increasing your home's curb appeal to enhancing energy efficiency, security, and noise reduction, the benefits are clear. Whether you're planning to stay in your home long-term or eventually sell, new windows provide both immediate and long-term value, making them a smart investment that pays off in more ways than one. If you're ready to elevate your home's value and comfort, installing new windows is a great place to start.